Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 1888 Argentina Gold Coin, UN Argentino 5 pesos. Country Argentina. Year 1888. Denomination UN Argentino, equivalent to 5 pesos. Currency system Peso Gold Standard Era. Metal composition gold. Gold purity 0.90% gold, 10% copper. Weight 8.064 grams. Actual gold weight 0.2334 troy ounces of pure gold. Diameter 22 millimeters. Edge reeded. Mint Buenos Aires Mint, Argentina. Obverse features the Liberty head female profile facing right. She is wearing a Phrygian cap symbolizing freedom. Around the portrait is the inscription, Libertad, UN Argentino 9D. The text emphasizes national freedom and value. Reverse displays the national coat of arms of Argentina. Two hands shaking, symbolizing unity. A rising sun above, representing freedom and independence. Surrounded by laurel branches. Inscription around the edge. República Argentina. Year of minting at the bottom, 1888. Historical background. The UN Argentino Gold Coin was introduced in the late 19th century when Argentina adopted the gold standard. It was inspired by European gold coinage systems. These coins were used for international trade and large transactions. Production was limited compared to silver coins, making them more collectible today. Collector and market value. Value depends on condition and gold prices. Very fine $500 to $650. Extremely fine $700 to $900. About uncirculated $1,000 to $1,400. Mint state $2,000 plus USD. Why this coin is special. Historic Argentine gold coin. High gold content. Beautiful classical design. Strong demand among world gold. In this video, we explore the 1888 Argentina Gold Coin, also known as UN Argentino 5 pesos. This rare historic gold coin features the iconic Liberty head and the Argentine national coat of arms, symbolizing freedom and unity. We cover complete details including coin history and background, gold purity and weight, design explanation, obverse and reverse, collector demand and rarity, estimated market value today. The 1888 Argentine gold coin is highly popular among world coin collectors due to its classic design and high gold content. If you are interested in old gold coins, rare coins, or international